ebushon for aha Ghana Sam TV GH mesra will like a comment subscribe then on notifications so that anytime videos of this nature I upload to ebushon for a few weeks as a 1 week nina video be trendy na video name no ma maybe I CEO of I think Ghana Bibi sir Mary Zuta and I say Zita or whatever. Okasai. Na asem no nyina mu ni say ye mami Hajia Samira.
Na mahama ne Sami Jemfi. Sisa ye sika ne sa black one wine sisa tubani no. Sisa Ghana fo sika. E de masa ankorfo mu say mo nkwana mo kwhye ni. Who driving lorry ne ba say achievement kwasiafo ma. Hey, on behalf of Ghana for men we disagree. We disagree with Enkwasiafo Juma no mkodi wo London no. Mu empower ye wie ya. Mu nko London ko empower wo.
Baumia aka Ahonfe Samira aka Oba ne hu ne nimunyam Samira aka the incoming first lady of the Republic of Ghana. Or see Oba bia ne ho a wiase we are dangerous. And I say onye papa tise Samira Baumia. Okas asem no. Ya fan cheno kra. MPP for fan chen, Ghana for fan cheno. Because Samira Baumia they a darling girl, a darling woman. Na sama mia oni nya sambia no. Onona yes you are part of the speakers. Ewo sa women of valor a omko hosti ewo UK. Na ubisa won say Mami ultimately na TV so. And slandered another woman who has achieved quite a lot for herself, who has risen to becoming the second lady of the Republic of Ghana. Sanipa otimi empower obi. Na yenu abi wo your friend is still possible. Or onso your bani bi. On there okika na adwen rough. Na utie gist is still possible abe drop it abasa mami no me sure say mami no otie tape na on pie biom on pie because revelations no e more duankasa efa mami no na warien ni kunu juma na ni kunu ye sika na ni kunu wo se na mame no ekwan so a ekwan mame no efa so a gigi ni kunu sika we dey me ti fama no kan because asem emu oduan kasa and am ati say wa am here enso no was onu so akoflope wo sa program na say enti it's still possible there wa band omu nyina together and wa kika na adwan akire omu enya sema anka ene 21st century we see who can empower women. Now women empowerment we are still talking about say obadie we sorry when no aduani we tinefie. Is that women empowerment? Sana empower ma 21st century when you can tell our women say beyond the sky is the limit. They can achieve everything they want. They can rise to become professors. They can rise to become astute lawyers. They can rise to become judges. They can rise to become good big time pilots. They can rise to become engineers. We see and to me there, I don't side with everything is still possible as said, but I mean sometimes you must give it to them hot. Let's go and listen to It's Still Possible's commentary on Mary Zita and then Sewa I'm here. But before the Nebuchadnezzar 4, we are opening our studio right here, our Volta region. Esremo, Sikano, more dupa 25,000 Ghana cedis, $2,300 US. Yen kwa yen timi ye pamucho. Keto abianso mumboye kakra na yen studio to give you better content in the coming days. Ebusianfo naba no eno screen asie no. Ye da mo nyina ase na ye mo ye no de bia. Now let's go and listen to It's Still Possible. Don't go anywhere. Cheers.
Sami Jemfi ekukuru Ghana for ye gold sika ye gold ye japade anyankopon obo ade obore ade di che yen esika ediama sa abayere nufu se watermelon no so munko UK enko training enko empower ma e wo UK na Felix ye ma wo Ghana empower o mo yi
So we there.
ma wo Ghana wie na ba na moya everything is suji
so no I am a party member o ono na we o can be mamo pa journalist for ni na no na can be mamo
hey
ana
David
it is possible. Women of valor nankasa. If she NDC I be wom.
Ebi ni NDC.
Ebi wo mu.
Ebi nim. Intina di pe na ba na afọ
na you can't say. Na unim ni emehi. Wutimi tam na Mac Brown free Ghana. Na Mac Brown ko jina ni penim ka kire mo say no or driving lorry. We treat bus, we treat that. Approach it. Am I treat lorry o. Any passes so. You guys are sick. Do you know motivational stories? Do you know any empower ma? Munko she malala akola no. Afghanistan ye wo akola no. Omo de Sharia law na ye adwuma yo ba. Girl child education say criminal offense. Ye be twa wuti by Sharia law. Akola ne papa ti school. Abayo malala ye na dwen so no de oba no so ye lawyer da achi. Owie no hu no akọ school. Ye program ye wo frefre in the area what community e mayu e wo ho. She defied odds. She defied omo constitution. Ye what you say wo your ba. Ye be mo ko school. Malala akola ketwa akayi da fokoto bomb. E bomb akola na akola mu hu na mu ko online ko hwe malala. Se mu ni mu no.
Yeah. I remember Malala.
Ono ye fe no.
Yeah.
Woman of value what motivating and crofoma wo sesa. Na nya oba so watwi tractor lorry akoko divoa akoye business ejina na ma grant yenye de watwi lorry nti de
Tractor na wo chu na wo chu man side wo ko chu tractor no
exactly Marcus where motivation
you are we chu do bonsere car na wo be dwe
motivation mo koye program wo UK et maswa Ghana mo de Ghana sika akofa na Mac Brown so make kantra mo so watwi lorry akogo divoa eti wo your ba motivating kola akogina UK na UK man egu won mo man na mo ko nyina mo everybody the list Jimmy for kura Jimmy ni ba o UK kura mo na mo ko hina ko e program ni nyina no mo kura mo nto nyanse ni o mo kura nto na zita ekogina ho say wo your woman of value no say wa wale pen ni ye divorce oda no asan wale pen na wa nkola na wa ye kunu wa perform ayiri duties one way aduane wa ye school rounds no ye we ya no be face no asoba aboa zita woni twasidi and zita me ka kire wo say me gina the whole world and ma ya na mu say women we are trying to take strategic positions o enya ware ani awo e na be define oba o ukọ Nigeria first na one be ma yes we bushing asam and they are taking or they are fighting women and ma woman no Nigeria omo papa esikafo ma $20 ni $1 munko na munko hwe omo any dangote omo ma girls but they've not even complained so kwako di obi ti na hama enko fa ma 50 fa enko wo be ma they are proud of their girls. Women are taking strategic positions enya woni aware ni enkunuame noa ene ma wo yo ba zita wo ya boa kwasia wo ya chimi fo kwasia ba abotre ukofa Andrew bubuafo mobomobo wo ji papa sikedi wie Andrew introduce my NDC ejiji NDC sikewie ye wo wie ya Andrew eye boni bi ho na wo Andrew ye cripple wa hu wo di sikewie na wo say Andrew ye cripple ena wo jap Andrew si wo na kofo ba obema foforo aboa zita Andrew kokromu ba ya woni be ma foforo da mpem na obu atopagu so zita wo ye chimi fo wate ye Ghana fo ma mi gina Ghana fo ma nyina na mu say enya ware ni awo eni aduane nu ankunuane any school rounds any defining oba Ghana for we are taking strategic positions. If I was here no Jimmy Eko Minim kwa ye fast ko yi wu as ambassador. Zito kankwe wo ye kwa siaba. Wo shimifo.
Yate. Why?
And mu free Ghana. Eko UK ko kasa ankwasi asem. Are you not ashamed? Are you not ashamed? Akola kitwa malala waji a whole nation. Akola kitwa malala wasesa a whole Sharia law. Kwasiafo. Nana has up akara nufu se watermelon.
No, I am.
Nana bana moa. We are what when an abana mo woni say rami say wa ami hi o say sarami hi o wana. Munchire transformational we bia mu as a ma mo di aba mutimi sisa Ghana sika say mo ko UK akohye no. E ho me fe Felix me madam fu bi e di ni kun bai o wale sike ni nyame adom e no be frɛ yen se yen hyero me fe ni yen konko ye have dinner make ho madam fu no any other 3 friends 5 na ni kunu sponsors yen kwa ye girls ni yen ko Felix ye ko didi wo restaurant bi keke enuane 3 course me mentimi endi 3 course me ye didi wie Felix almost 3,000 pounds. I'm telling you, the number of the amount of money as our girls way akoko jiregu. Mefe, e hono nyasam kitu mefe. Ura restaurant mu say 500 pounds. Udo na ba kusimu a. Ye bu short, yi short mawa, ya he ahe. E what ye dey sa atreni atrididi. Mefe. And yes, a yikitwa. The most expensive place. Nigeria sika for hono. It mefe hono ye ni agro ho. Na mo wo na na ba na mo aboa kwase akohwini ba.
Oh, you mean ya
ba.
Oh, how's it uncle?
Shawa brewa kwase na na ba. Eti wo na na ba na mo wo nti obrase ya na bebo. Pimp to say wo pimp. The pimp. Say ya na be ye. Bana fo pimp ya no de be kai wo. Sisa women of value wuni cha.
Message we the ma Canada Japan Ken City and na 2 say on my FM. Mr. Station okra na men ka the last time me ti ho. Na dia me be kan man ko ti ho me hu wo Facebook. Ken Japan Ken Yofa, honorable. You can be bitter till the end of time. Nobody cares. So why I say is would net too no ever fight NPP abaya. We don't care. We don't care. NPP party me say so see nipa boni fu bi o party. Akwaro can the two no so now first I bet as many name I make us immature as many I bet as many of the two make us immature no be or dear bet be a me huni be any nyansa I bet a wedge media here Malcolm I say anyway me catch you playing they are to 1 hour kekana and some fun to the highest degree tell us a can lusu it move by fighting NPP can I got na mama na mo wo Canada Japan MPP na ma Canada Japan NPP I Canada Japan MPP ina ma Canada Japan I Canada Japan we don't care their moye no dia me dana me sorry anopa ade me dwen ho ena na mo a me tu nyina say Dr. Bawumia nyame be adom na obeba be president of the Republic of Ghana in 2028 inshallah akoko farmers na den krama me say dia John Mahama di Rome ni aseno a John Mahama nya bia ma o ma wasa ha bom kro no no John Mahama anya bia ma o ma koko no wasa bom kro no the MPP for the ma o ma o so ba o di bi be kan a obaye wa ba betu se hwim ene ga no kuani bia ton koko bags 10 or ton 10 bags a olusu 200 million da John Mahama de ayo no no na koko kwa fonso ana NDC aban e de omoka no koko kwani sika bia na NDC aban ho no NDC aban chiche ne sa afa na chi dise koko kwani no na onim se ne 10 bucks obenya 400 million or de ko bobo sia o banka onim so oje 400 million or de 300 million kutwia or de 100 million to dwama na yire mbadia the 400 million no 200 million pe na NDC aban de ma no NDC aban man sesi form ti koko kwani no expect 400 million onya 200 million. It is a cocoa forwing. Cocoa equa forwing. In a modern cra, Abrami Abedon committee and say, Dr. Baumia 2028 election, or fan coach up. Into me, I'm a tea. Now, say once a matter. Matter because any manifesto no me digum me ready. They say me ya ready every. Me real manifesto bo mo share Ghana phone na Women Development Bank. I mo ka so be ya ma me no any ade 24-hour economy. Hey, nipa 3 in a be adwuma wo ayi 1 ayi ho 3 shift 1 job. We ba no ko 8 bona we upon na we be start 8 no ko pon time say na for fraba. E ho na me ready ni nyina na mabisa me ho say enema ya ndisi for ka che Ghana for e wa he. Me twa mani ami hu ba akokora. Itiano na meguso digi on manifesto ni mtimi followers among se makwa na cover. Ma esa anas no adwuma bi a me ye me wi a me pese me bi na dwom ha ma kon so sa no stop. Munya botrema me mo na cover me hwe ni me digi manifesto me reading it page by page. Me read ya be bi a me duru mo ma me wi. Na we me buy me ba na abeta so me ni me ba oba. Name Idin abet bia me hia no wi asem ba bia adwumodo. Nimnyansa pa. Men sell carrier. Men tra ho njimi. Ken Japan no hye machi oye mo sa no obet sa line. Won sa line aka no kwa na mbo. Yen osono ni edi na chi o. Osono no na chi ni edi. Obi a won kan osono no yen te o case. Ken Japan ye man fans because oye MPP ni. But Ken decide so on MPP be my MPP enku. Political party te sa sorry. Obu anu wa tutu no ni bofu asori elder ni bofu sofo gidigidi no waja sorry ye panic wo nti gbam no waja sorry no ko e na o musu fi so mu ja sorry asori mbegu ana hwen sorry kese wo wi ase Church of Pentecost bebre na ba o ma jai presby bebre na jai presby bebre ja Methodist but who jai no na foforo ba political parties say numbers near fix and ke to about the be the same figure. But said yeah, President Mahama defeating about 1.5 million. Honestly, be defeating by 2 million votes. So should tell you say elections or dynamics, baby. So your Canada, Japan, and your net 2 and your bogus station cannot bring NPP down. I catch him plain. Okay. Good night.